Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, October 12th, 2023. It is 12:40 and 42 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cell division. So let's jump to it here. Remnant of cell division could be responsible for spreading cancer. Date October 7, 2023. Source, University of Wisconsin. Once thought to be the trash can of the cell, a little bubble of cellular stuff called the mid-body remnant is actually packing, working, genetic material with the power to change the fate of other cells, including turning them into cancer. What surprised the microbiologist is that the mid-body is full of genetic information, RNA, that doesn't have much to do with cell division at all, but likely functions in cell communication. The scientific investigators and microbiologists analyzed the contents of mid-bodies which form between the daughter cells during cell division and tracked the interactions of the mid-body remnants set free after cell division. Their results point to the mid-body as a vehicle for the spread of cancer throughout the body. As people thought the mid-body was a place where things died or were recycled after cell division, but one person's trash is another person's treasure. A mid-body is a little packet of information cells used to communicate. The mid-body's involvement in cell signaling and stimulating cell proliferation has been investigated before. The microbiologists and scientific collaborators want to look inside the mid-body remnants to learn more. What the researchers found inside mid-bodies was RNA, which is a kind of working copy of DNA used to produce the proteins that make things happen in cells and the cellular machinery necessary to turn that RNA into proteins. The RNA in mid-bodies tends to be blueprints, not for the cell's division process, but for proteins involved in activities that steer a cell's purpose, including pluripotency, the ability to develop into any of the body's many different types of cells, and oncogenesis, the formation of cancerous tumors. A mid-body remnant is very small. It is a micron in size, a billionth of a meter, but it is like a little lunar lander. It has got everything it needs to sustain that working information from the dividing cell, and it can drift away from the site of mitosis, get into your bloodstream, and land on another cell far away. Many mid-body remnants are reabsorbed by one of the daughter cells that shed them, but those that touch down on a distant surface, like a lunar lander, may instead be absorbed by a third cell. If the cell swallows the mid-body, it may mistakenly begin using the enclosed RNA as if it were its own blueprints. As previous research showed, that cancer cells are more likely than stem cells to have ingested a mid-body and its potentially fate-altering cargo. Stem cells, which give rise to new cells that are valuable for their pluripotency, spin a lot of mid-bodies back out, perhaps to maintain their pluripotency. The future research may be able to harness the power of mid-body RNA to deliver drugs to cancer cells or to keep them from dividing. They think their findings may represent a huge target for cancer detection and therapeutics. The researchers identified a gene called ARC that is key to loading the mid-body remnant with RNA taken up long ago from an ancient virus. ARC also plays a role in the way brain cells make memories. Loss of ARC leads to the loss of RNA in the mid-body and loss of the RNA information from getting to recipient cells. They believe this memory gene is important for all cells to communicate RNA information. The scientific investigators and research collaborators also have a patent pending on two new methods that make it easier to isolate mid-body structures from cell media or blood serum, improving cancer diagnostics. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.